Yes, again, so can I say, you see them out on the square there, right out of Cecilia Square right there, so you find it, so you have the Pentecostal Gospel Assembly. Because you know they didn't really want to pray for me still, but you know, I know the time already. So this is where the lady that did really want to pray for me, and think she make a good effort. I think she make a good decision to use me as an example, and that is it the people always want to do. People always want to use me as an example for people can follow, and nothing is wrong with that. You understand me? I said nothing is wrong with that, and that is the main thing what I'm trying to speak about. People might want something, they might want to achieve something, but they might feel shy. So at the end of the day, them won't get to achieve or get to even inherit that great moment where really appear for them at that time. You understand me? So probably if I did make a step and start them, I make sister pray for me. Probably somebody else that make a step, and people that try to tell you say trust me. If you ask everybody and would have asked a question say if you really think 50 would need prayer, everybody would say yes. You understand me? I say, but it's not really prayer a man like me need. Because people don't feel like so well they need prayer because but I don't really think it's me need a prayer. Like for example, you go and pray and then you go and use a concept like something is wrong with me and something. I mean, I really like them the prayer there. You understand me? I say I don't really accept them the prayer there. I mean, accept nothing. Not me not accept nothing where a person will make it look like so then something bad about me, so they more pray for it, or make a mistake, so they more pray for it. No. I don't think me are the person who need prayer. I think me are the person who will find the people who needs prayer. You understand me I say? So I would me want prayer if I'm the person who with the people, serve the people. Or me if I want prayer, me can't want prayer. We must seek for the people them who need prayer. That is it. Yeah, so me I say, so what me I do right now, I'm seeking for the people them who really need that time, that moment. Yeah, so me I say, I'm just seeking, I'm just searching for a person at that time where it's going to be them last moment where them can get at least 130 more second for really. So what the post to do what the post to. Sometimes some people dead, they never get to say something for somebody can really have with it with them, they not really write nothing, they not sign nothing. So it's good sometimes when you can have a person or really at the time can catch up with the time. You understand? And that is it. I don't think I'm the person who really need prayer. I will never in a person who need prayer. You understand? This is where them try to do mostly and try to use prayer like yes son. Like so then prayer is something gonna solve a problem, and probably prayer is something gonna make you more successful. You understand me I say? We need to do more than instead of pray. We need to do more, give more, supply more. You understand me? Prayer will never change nothing. I do too much work in this community where it come like prayer. We do more than prayer. You understand me? I say, nobody can tell me nothing about prayer. Nobody can tell me nothing about that, this, that, nothing. You understand me? I say, I'm just doing my work. I'm just doing my greatness. The greatness of me I do. You understand me? I say, me do what me come here to do. You understand me? I say, me I do what me know what me supposed to do. You understand me? I say, so, no prayer can stop me from doing what me want to do. I would say very so. And that is it. And it's all that. I don't think I'm going to want to stop myself, then I'm going to pray. No, prayer not exists in my doing good, doing of nothing, I don't need prayer to do nothing good when me I do. Nothing at all. Just do what me I do. I Kel. Just start put on clothes now. Time get cold for you. Alright, so one of my that one of my idol, respect to him and Kelly. Respectable youth, manageable youth, teaching youth, teachable, focus, you know. Never at times you will see them and they kind of like them lose focus or unconscious and things. So these are the things I'm try to show even until they keep focus. Respect a certain thing where know people will fight for your right and not because of a person that really keep that close relationship like if you have a reason, if you have some conversation. So you find say when a person respect a thing, them respect a thing. So you find say respect for him thing, respect for him thing. You understand me? I say so yes, it's all about I think that is the point. Because the video now can be like part 2. So if we can relate back again to certain thing and whatsoever. So still give thanks to them to come out same way. Farm more crowd, build up more labels like cause sometimes it's better for the in a church sometime and sometimes it's better for the in a church sometime, it's better for there some safe place sometime. You understand me? I say because some really brutal, some viral things we are going outside, some things we really are conduct on the outside more while it's not really it's not acceptable. You understand me? I say it not acceptable. So you have to find say when I do at church sometimes it's like you know it's like a secure sometime at least you have at least 90% chance 90% chance and because I them I grew up still I them I grew up and I them really one of the greatest moment I see them where you understand me I say musician me can touch because this me can touch some of that me can touch certain moments of thing or whatever so my mind there so now until me end up like on another side do a little circle around do a little community exercise around so me can really open up my mind. You understand me? I say me can see things